Refuse. This is the first and agreeable, most impactful R. It's about saying no to things we don't need. This could be single-use plastics like straws and bags, freebies we won't use, or excessive packaging. By refusing unnecessary items, we prevent waste from being created in the first place, which saves resource and energy. Reduce. Next comes reducing what we don't need. This involves being mindful of our consumption habits and choosing to use less. Example including buying products with less packagings, using digital documents instead of printing, or conserving water and electricity. Reducing our consumption lessens the demand for resources and the amount of waste generated.
The 5 R's, these are fantastic principles for promoting sustainability and minimizing waste. They provide a hierarchy of action we can take to be more environmental conscious. Let's break them down. Reuse. These are encourage us to find new purpose for items instead of discarding them after a single use. Think about using a plastic bottle for storage, turning all storage water, and instead of buying new ones, reusing extends the lifespan of the product, saving resources and reducing landfill waste. In using this product, we can recycle or reuse it. I will show you how I will reuse this item. I will turn into a new water container. The first thing I will do is remove the packaging or the product name because it can also become a waste and cause littering. The second thing I will do is clean it with the clean water to refill and use it again.
Recycle. Finally, we have recycling. This involves processing used to material into new products. Common recycle include paper. Well, important recycle is the last R in the hierarchy because it still requires energy and resource, resources for collection, process, and manufacturing. It's best to prioritize the other rest first to minimize the amount of material that need to be recycled.
We think of cardboard as just trash, but I can still be used like this one. I can be a container for toys and other things. We, we thought it was useless, but I can still be useful. I can't be used as a bed, storage for plastic bottles.
Purpose. Repurposing takes a reuse a step further by creatively transforming an item for a different function that its originally intended purpose. An old tire can become a planter, a ladder can become a bookshelf, or plastic bottles can be turned into art. These are sparks creatively and gives new life to items that might be otherwise be considered trash. This old tire can be a trellis of dragon fruit to grow on, and it makes strong and stable order of it to grow on.